Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video, let's try fixing notification delays on this device. So first of all, let's go to settings, and the first fix will be to enable a run in background for specific applications. So we want to scroll to section apps, and now let's go to app launch. And from this list you want to find application that you have notification problems with, and you want to enable this toggle for the specific application with your problem. Even here you can see this message, automatically manage app launches to prevent unnecessary background activity without affecting message delivery. You can also manually restrict apps from running in the background to save power, but this may delay emails and social media notifications. So you want to keep this toggle on for applications that you have notification problems with. Now let's go to manage apps, and you want to find specific application from the list. And now let's go to notifications, and under the section notification type you want to find gentle notifications. So this is in the media playback, and please keep gentle notifications disabled. If this on, notifications will simply arise silently and they will not trigger the smart capsule, magic capsule. And additionally, let's check capsule settings. Let's go back to homepage of settings, and you want to go to notifications and status bar. From here select magic capsule, and please under the section system services you want to make sure that specific system service, for example media playback or clock for example, are on. Okay, and after completing those steps I feel like you should have resolved issue with notification delays on your HONOR Magic8 Pro device. I really hope that this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.